Hello.
Hello, peeps.
Fellow pickle peeps.
That's right.
Rachel and Diane Breaux here.
Yeah, she's Diane. She's the pickle lady.
I
too.
am the pickle lady
Yeah.
as well.
Delicious
My pickles have not come in yet. I need to be in production.
Yeah, I know.
There's a delay on pickles. I don't know what the run is on that, but
we're trying.
Anyway, so yeah, I'm still the pickle lady. I still have plenty in storage, but I need to make more. So anybody has a pickle source for me? Actually, give me a call.
Yeah.
I'm looking for some.
We've been buying 5-gallon pails.
Yeah.
And they're running out. So
They're running out.
What's happening?
Anybody's got a good connection, let me know.
Gotta get some pickles.
Yeah. But we're here today, besides all of that. That's an aside.
It's an aside,
as we say in the business.
In the biz, yeah.
I'm here today to talk about fix and sell.
Fix and sell. All right, so this is
sell.
For our sellers here in Prescott, also our buyers, wherever you're selling your home before you come here. Fix and sell is a great option for you. You know, there are these people out here called flippers, right?
Yes.
So they buy homes and they do stuff and they make money because they sell for more money than they buy. And a lot of what they do is fix and sell.
Yep.
So in essence, fix and sell is about flipping your own house. You know, you figure out what can you do to add value to the house that is a multiple of what it's going to cost you. So typically the things that really do well, first of all, is always paint.
Oh yeah.
Paint, always a good one.
Always paint.
Yeah, always paint.
Freshen up.
Freshen up. New
Freshen
colors.
up if you've got scuffs, if you've got dents, if you've got a lot of nail holes. You know, just spruce it up, paint it. It also smells good when you repaint.
Yeah,
I mean, it makes the house feel new and fresh.
Yes.
Of course, stay away from crazy colors. Stay away from dated colors.
If your house has dated colors, crazy colors, faux finishes, anything like that.
Yes, sponging.
Do yourself a favor, paint it.
Paint it.
We've told stories in previous episodes. There was a house, beautiful home. That color really wasn't that crazy. It was like a mint green.
Yes, but that did it.
That they did not paint up front.
Mm-hmm.
In the end, they discounted the house. It probably cost them about $60,000. They ended up having to paint the house anyway to get it sold.
So yeah, your Aquas, your Moths, your Peaches,
get that out of there
because what it screams is 80s and 90s.
Yeah.
You haven't done anything to your house in a long time. This house is dated.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. That's an easy way. What's our other thing? Countertops.
Countertops, floors is another good one.
Mm-hmm.
Lighting. There are a number of things that you can do. Or landscaping is another really good one.
Yes.
A really good impression out front. Relatively small will end up adding immense value to your home, and you'll come out ahead. When you do a valuation on your home, generally they'll give you a range. You know, you could get anywhere from, you know, let's say $450. Sometimes it's $450 to $650. You know, it's a huge range.
Correct.
If that's the case, that means that your home is in a neighborhood where prices vary a lot. And that's because they are in different stages of readiness to sell.
Mm-hmm.
So the ones that really need a lot, they're going to trade on the lower end.
Right.
Those that look like new and just been renovated, they're going to go on the high end.
So try to get it done.
Yeah.
I mean, it helps you in your pocket, you know.
Yes.
And so what's a good way to do that?
Well, one thing you should know is
you
that
may be overwhelmed with that. I don't have a lot of money to do all that.
A couple things. First of all, if you don't have the money to do it, you can get it paid for with a loan that you pay out of your proceeds when you close. Those deals are available. They're very straightforward. Generally, they're tied with people that they will hook you up with who can do the work. If you're here in Prescott, we can help you find people to do the work. Well worth doing. You can combine that. I think we did an episode on buy now, sell later, where you go ahead and buy your home, and then you sell the home you're in later, and it's really a good thing to do. We have another episode. I'll do a link down there below this video on that. But you can combine the two. You know, you
Right.
can vacate the home, have the work done,
Yes.
you know, and then sell it. It all comes out of proceeds. And generally, you'll come out ahead because you'll get a much better price for your
Return.
home,
Mm-hmm.
and you will sell much faster. That's
Yes.
the other thing, too.
Yes.
You will sell much faster.
As we all know, trying to be on the market can be torturous at best.
Even in really difficult seller times, you know, it's a strong buyer's market. Homes that are well staged and well prepared, they still go really fast.
Absolutely.
They still go really
They
fast.
still, absolutely.
Yeah, so,
You know, so try to put your best foot forward, show
Yeah.
that house to the best of its, the best that it can possibly be.
yeah, absolutely.
It's all about curb appeal and stepping in, and people just feel, oh, I
Yeah.
can see myself here.
Yeah,
I love it. This house is lovely. It's cozy, and I don't have to do too much.
Yeah.
People love that.
Yeah.
People love that. They want to unpack and move right in and start their next chapter.
yeah.
So,
Yeah, so
if you're
we've
interested,
got any number of non-traditional options for sellers. If, on the other hand, you don't particularly care, you know, it's just going to be more money my kids get when I die. I don't feel like being bothered. I just want to get out of here. We can get you a cash deal.
Yes.
So you know, in everywhere in between, we
That's
can
right.
give you options. So we'd love to talk to you about that.
So keep that in mind and give us a call if you'd like to be further educated on any of these products that we're
Yeah.
talking about.
Absolutely.
We're happy to be of assistance and guide you along with that.
Absolutely.
All right.
So our tip of the
So,
day, if you're into tips, the place to go, pickle411.com. That is our free
Right.
information site. Whether you're a buyer, seller, somewhere between, there's something there waiting for you that will astound, entertain, and put money in your pocket.
That's
in a lot
right.
of cases.
so make it happen, Captain. All right. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.